Hey, who wants to fucking hear Daryl play one on the fucking guitar? I'll tell you what, let's clear off the rest of the stage here, and we're gonna fucking get Daryl to tear this motherfucker up. Hey, y'all, show your love for fucking Daryl in the house!
You got a pick, man? What's your piece of paper, man?
See Benny's rig sitting in my driveway? Pretty good? That's sort of nice.
Hey, anybody get a pick that's not a piece of paper? I mean, different strokes for different jack-off folks.
We got one.
Billy Gibbons.
Made a quarter on that dude. You like that one? There you go. Here's another one for you. We're gonna do some fucking Ted Nugent cat scratch. There you go. You got a custom down.
I think the only way I'm gonna play this motherfucker if my brother Benny Paul gets up here and plays the drum.
Fuck yeah!
Is it gonna happen? Bushman, is it gonna happen? Cut it. Alright, it ain't gonna pop, man.
Alright, Danny, you're hired, brother.
Now listen, we need all the support we can get, man. I need Jason Blackie up here. Everybody blow it up for George. Stay, people, come on! How you doing?
Dimebag girl! Fuck yeah! The king in the house! Everybody come on! Daryl!
Let's go! Let's go!
Daryl! Woo! Fuck yeah! Alright. Did we have fun? We're fucking having a good time tonight. Fuck yeah, brother. Hey, what? You guys want to hear Daryl do another one? Come on, Daryl, let's do another one, goddammit. You ain't done? You ain't done? Come on, man. Get your pool, brother. We're going to do another Judas Priest song. Let's get him up there.